In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Diffuser on GitHub. Installing Diffuser is a straightforward process, but to ensure everything goes smoothly, we'll walk through it step by step. Let's get started. First, it's recommended to create a virtual environment. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. A virtual environment is a self-contained directory that holds a complete Python installation and any additional packages you might need. By using a virtual environment, you avoid the risks of conflicting dependencies, which can cause a lot of headaches down the line. To create one, open your command line interface and type the command python matim venv. This will generate a new directory named venv, which is your freshly baked virtual environment ready for action. Now that we've created it, we need to activate this environment. If you're on Windows, you'll want to use the command venv scripts activate. On Mac or Linux, the command is source venv/bin activate. Don't skip this step. Activating the environment ensures that all subsequent installations occur within your virtual space, keeping them neatly separate from the rest of your system. With our virtual environment ready and active, the next step is to install PyTorch. Head over to the PyTorch Get Started page. Here you'll choose your operating system from the list, and the page will customize an installation command for you. For instance, a typical command might look like pip install torch vision torch audio. Copy and paste that command into your terminal. PyTorch is a vital library used for deep learning, and we'll need it for Diffuser. Next up, we need to install the Diffusers package. For most users, the stable release is the way to go. This is the method officially recommended by the Diffusers documentation. All you need to do is run the command pip install diffusers torch transformers accelerate. This command will download and install not just diffusers, but also some additional tools like transformers and accelerate, which are important for optimal functionality. If you're the type who likes to be on the cutting edge and prefer having the latest features and updates, you can choose to install diffusers directly from GitHub. This gives you the very latest development version, instead of the stable release. To do this, execute the command pip install git https github.com huggingfacediffusers.git. While this method ensures you have the most recent changes at your disposal, just be aware that development versions can sometimes be less stable. And there you have it. We've walked through setting up a virtual environment, installing PyTorch, and finally, diffusers from the stable or development release. You're all set up to start experimenting with Diffuser on GitHub. If you follow these steps, you should have a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.